Hello YouTubers. As you can see, I have the Fernleaf back together with a brand new faceplate, which is also copper plated, which matches this fan almost 100%, and a new canopy off of the one I just got, 2-blader. This is on low speed and the variable speed control. We're still having a little bit of issue of locking up. I think it might be that I need to put a thicker oil in it, because once it's running, it's fine. So there's a low speed right there. Where's my kilowatt? Oh yeah, you are down here. Yeah. On that low speed, I'm drawing 1.4 amps. Sorry about that. Let's go to a medium-ish speed, somewhere around there. It's a little unbalanced. I'm sure I can balance it back out, not a big deal. It's 2.3 amps right there. Let's go ahead and go full blast. Full tilt. Draws 2.7 amps. Most of what you're hearing is actually the blades. I cut a piece of felt with the bottom bearing between the racetrack and the bottom of the oil housing, which should help quiet it down quite a bit. It's probably not the right felt. I do plan on taking this thing back apart because I wanted to get everything together and make sure everything fits in general and everything runs properly. What a beautiful fan. Go ahead and spin her down. I'm going to turn the H36 back on because it's hot. There we go, that way. Try and go for a start when this thing stops. Like I said, it hasn't been liking starting, but if it's been running, no, it's actually going to start for us. Go back to high. There we go. Thanks for watching.